Dito kami ngayon. It's what time now? 1:30 in the morning. Ito. Burger machine. The Epic Burger. Dito lang kami. Dito lang to. Sa MacArthur Highway. Burger machine tayo. Namiss ko na tong burger machine eh. Yan o. Siyempre, buy one, take one. Ayong coffee. Prepare na si sister ang ating burger. The famous burger machine. Siyempre, after niya, magsa-Sans Rival. Diba? Favorite ni Ma'am C. May Sans Rival ka?
Opo, bibigyan na po lahat.
Yan o. Cheesy bacon, 101, buy one, take one. Tsaka double chicken burger, buy one, take one din. Hindi namin na-prepare na. At syempre ang ating coffee and choco, hot choco.
Saan ako? Bawal yung may mayo sa kanya.
Craving satisfied. Syempre, burger. You know.